Yo, what's going on? This your boy Big Mucci, baby. Yo, I got this new line dance I'm about to teach y'all right quick. It's called the Bama Boogie. My man Carlos Vegas, Big Mucci, produced by Sam Peasy. I'm gonna show y'all how it go, so y'all already know what it is. So when they come on in the club, y'all can already be ready. Check this out. Let me come back. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your right 4 times, kick, kick, to your left 4 times, kick, kick, then it's wind the back, turn, wind back, turn, out and slide, then turn 4 times. I'm gonna show y'all, here it goes. First thing is gonna be one more time, here we go, watch this. All right, right there, now it's time for the wind back, turn, here we go. 1, 2, 3, wind back, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do it again. 3, wind back, 1, 2. All right, here we go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wind back. Last part with your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole dance. We're gonna do it again. Right foot. Out, in, slide, turn. We'll do it one time and then that's what we're gonna do. Check this out. Here we go all together. Wind back. There it is right there. You can pause that now.